today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell in-game items on your Wix website. Whether you're a game developer or a reseller, setting up a digital storefront is essential for reaching a larger audience. Let's dive into how you can set up a site to effectively sell these digital assets. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate over to Wix.com. If you haven't done so already, log into your account. This is your gateway to accessing all your sites and their settings through the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your existing sites. Click on the Edit Site button next to the one where you plan to sell your products. This action opens the editing interface, allowing you to make tweaks and modifications to the site's structure and content. Next, ensure you've installed Wix Stores, which is necessary for selling products through your site. If you're new to this, Wix Stores integrates e-commerce capabilities into your site, whether you're dealing with physical or digital items. After verifying that the Wix Stores app is ready to go, click on Store Pages in the editor interface. This action will guide you to your product pages, your digital storefront's back end. Moving forward, click on Product Page, which is where you can add or edit product listings. After clicking on Manage Products, you'll want to navigate through Dashboard, Store Products, plus New Product. Here, you'll be presented with an option to select Digital Product instead of a physical one. This step is critical since in-game items are not tangible and must be properly categorized for seamless digital delivery. Fill in all essential product details. This includes the product name, a compelling description highlighting key aspects such as item rarity and benefits, pricing information, and relevant images or screenshots of the item. High-quality images will elevate the appeal and trustworthiness of your listing. Once you've set up the product entry, upload any associated files or codes that buyers will access post-purchase. Click Save, followed by Publish. To ensure smooth digital delivery, enable the digital delivery setting within the product settings. This will automate sending a download link or code directly to the buyer's email as soon as they complete the purchase. Including any redemption instructions within this email can enhance user experience. You'll then need to set up your payment methods. On your dashboard, head over to Settings, Accept Payments. Here, configure payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit card options. Conduct a test transaction to verify the checkout process is seamless and working as intended. Finally, ensure your product is visible on your store page. Take some time to adjust the Add to Cart button and overall layout to complement your site's design. Preview your page to confirm it's engaging and user-friendly. Promotion is key. Utilize Wix's SEO tools to refine your product pages for search engines. Share your offerings on social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Twitch. Consider limited time deals to entice gamers. Remember to maintain a clear and visually appealing description. Use Wix automation to notify buyers of new releases to stay engaged.